Irish government and the IDA in particular have been really successful in attracting multinationals into this country. And one of the reasons for that is our competence, our capability, our open market here, but also it's our ability to move forward and to adopt new digital technologies. And 5G will be key to that.
For us, this is not just about informing Irish-based companies about 5G technology and what it might do for them, but also enabling them to meet other organisations who may be in a different area of manufacturing, but on the same journey.
Our job in Irish manufacturing research is to help companies understand and demystify emerging technologies. And partnering here with Vodafone, Dell and Ericsson is really important. They're bringing to market leading-edge new breakthrough technologies such as 5G, and it's our job to try and help manufacturing firms understand the power and the importance of these technologies.
5G is really important for businesses on a number of counts, and so with that capability it's going to offer a host of new services and products that we can offer over the 5G network, such as drones, smart cities, driverless cars actually is even going to become possible, and even major advancements in medical care, which is going to be wonderful for Ireland.
We're very excited by what 5G can potentially offer our members, and today we will be showcasing some of those applications.
One of the biggest challenges that any industry is facing today obviously is digitization, and 5G enables a lot more use cases now to be digitized, or as I say, modernized.
We'll work together with Transition Technologies, Vodafone and the Irish manufacturing to harness the power of 5G and MEC, and then be able to see on the shop floor how our solutions can be showcased here at the event.
5G is still an emerging technology, and that's why demonstrations at facilities like IMR are so important, because you're able to bring a wide group of customers together from across the manufacturing sector into one place where they can see, where they can meet, and they can discuss what 5G could potentially do for their business, and then they can take that away and explore it within their own organizations.
The connected factory of the future is all about handling data. It's about collecting data, analyzing data, acting based on that data. And 5G is the infrastructure that ties all these pieces together, so it makes it possible to transfer this huge amount of data between the different activities that you're doing in the factory.
It's fantastic to get people together again after COVID, to start the conversations and create new relationships, but also to see 5G solutions being trialled here in a live environment. It really gives our customers and our businesses food for thought on the art of the possible and new use cases that we can use for 5G.